Yo, yo. Good morning. How we doing? Let's see. Hold on. Remove. Boom. Cool. How we doing today? Hopefully everybody's doing good. Hold on. Apparently, Binance is restricting withdrawals for Bitcoin. I'm just reading up some news real quick. But yeah, market got smacked. But we are hitting, I think we're down more than -2%. Let's see. I'm also getting everything set up, so bear with me. Boom, boom. All right, let's see. S&P is down -2.3%. NASDAQ is down -2.93%. So we can apply the -2% rule. That rule typically is if the market gaps down by -2% or gaps up by +2%, typically we tend to go the opposite way for at least in the morning, but there's so many different factors going on here that we got to be really careful today. Now, I was talking to the admins in Team Bull. I haven't seen the market internals lining up the way they are since COVID, which isn't good. If you guys have been trading since COVID, you know what happened. So we gotta be really cautious today. Really cautious. Anyways, so SQ, I don't know. I think we might bounce today, to be honest with you. Does anybody know if there was specific news that caused this gap down, or was it just continued selling? Because to be honest with you, I don't really look at the news. But let's see what we can find. Let's see, car horns. Alrighty, we shall see what happens today. That yen position's already green. I love it. Anyways, let's get this 1 hour, 4 hour daily. Start with SPY and QQQ. Hopefully you guys saw the Saturday video. Again, if you guys don't know, I upload my weekly analysis every single Saturday. So if you guys have not seen the video, make sure you guys do go and watch that. Anyways, 610, 610, 610, 610, 610. So we did come down to that yearly low. Yes, we hit it, went a little below, and then we came back up. I want to say just because -2% is so important, and the fact that we're gapping down all the way down to here, I don't know. I think we might bounce today. We'll see. But as you guys know, if there's not really a lot of setups, I'm going to focus on QQQ and SPY. So that's probably going to be the move today. So a SPY, did you guys see the sweepers? Here, hold on. If you guys aren't following me on Twitter, make sure you guys are doing that at Carhorns, CARWHORNS. Let's see. I tweeted it yesterday. There was a huge like $14 million order, $14 million order that came through for the, there it is. For the 388 puts, these people bought an $8.8 million position and a $7.6 million position. 388 puts expiring July 15th. Those people made millions off of this trade in just 12 days. So, I mean, if I were them, I would cover my position today, but yeah, SPY and QQQ, let's keep our eye on that. Remember, that's opening all the way down here when the 5 EMA is all the way up here. I personally think we might see a little rip today. But, again, make sure you guys are clicking the like button. We'll keep our eye on SPY, QQQ, 611, 611, 611, 611, and 611. Cool. So on QQQ, set a new low. That's a misprint. I mean, if it breaks below that pre-market low, that's gonna be really, really bad. But again, we're opening all the way down here. So, yes, that's flow algo. Uri and SPY and QQQ. Now, as far as the weekly watch list, we'll start with AMD. We did swing those put positions, the 90 puts, 85 puts, debit spread expiring in July. Hopefully those are up a decent bit. We'll see at the market open. If so, I will trim a little bit. Again, we're going to be opening all the way down here. And that put to call is still over 1. It's at like 1.16. Apple, right back down to the yearly low, could double bottom. We'll put Apple on the watch list. Apple. Amazon, I was looking for a double bottom there at that 101 level. Not too interested in that. Today, honestly, I think today is going to be more so looking for intraday setups and just taking what the market gives us. If the market doesn't give us anything, then there's nothing we can do about it. But Baba already filled the gap. I was just looking to trade the gap fill. Guess I'm not getting that. Coin, obviously, with crypto getting smacked. Yeah, that thing is gone. All the way down to that 47.19 pivot that I gave you guys last night. So if you guys don't believe in the person's pivots, look at that. Literally right to it, and then it bounced. Let me squeeze it. Again, that's gonna be all the way down here. It's too far. CRM, I want it. Actually, CRM is in the gap fill. All right, so we'll keep an eye on CRM. I want to get that gap to fill to the downside. GLD, definitely want to continue to keep an eye on this one. I want to try to snag a swing position. We'll see with that. Moderna, looking for a double bottom there. Again, we got 160 people in here and only 50 likes. If you guys want the watch list today, you gotta make sure to run it up to 150 likes for me. The people who did click the like button, grab your pitchforks, because we are gonna find the people who did not like the video, and we are gonna go to their house and we are gonna make them click the like button. So, if you would like to join the angry mob, make sure to click the like button. If you would like me to show up at your house, and I'm sure some of you would, don't click it. Moderna, we're at 123. Again, I'm more so interested if it can double bottom. Moderna, Microsoft. I don't think we're setting up for a negative 7% halt. That'd be crazy if it did. We haven't had that since COVID. Microsoft 246. Oh, it's at the yearly low. Microsoft. Net. Do you think that we see all-time highs today? What? Net, I don't really care if that comes back up to 50. If so, I'll look to short it. Netflix, I ended up taking that off the list. Nvidia, smickety smacked. Let's see, we're opening all the way down at 160. That's a pretty strong support level. Maybe if we can clear here, 163. Nvidia. SQ. Oh, he might be. Personally, I do think gold, once that gold squeeze does fire, I feel like we'll see all-time highs. What is this? SQ? We talked about SQ. That's at the double bottom. Super close to the double bottom. So keep that on watch. TQQQQ. Oh my god. 3 Qs, not 4 Qs. TQQQ. I don't even know if I just said 3 or not. TQQQ. There we go. Not interested. Tesla. I don't think we're seeing all-time highs on SPY and QQQ for a while. Sorry to break it to you, buddy. Remember, we've talked about the market internals I don't know how many times. What did we say about TLT? Remember, let me find the tweet. Every single time TLT has broke below the bear flag, besides one time, the market has followed. So if we find this picture that I put up of TLT, basically the bonds have been the leading indicator to the entire market. HYG, JNK, TLT, all the bonds have been leading the overall stock market. So where's this tweet? There it is. If we go and we look at this tweet that I put up, here's TLT. TLT topped December 3rd, 2021. When did SPY top? 1/4/22. A month later, TLT went into a bear flag and broke down February 3rd, 2022. Where was February 3rd, 2022 on the SPY? Right here. This is the bear flag that didn't work out, 3/8/22. However, 4/5/22, 4/5/22. TLT bottomed at support on 5/9/22. Here's 5/9/22 on SPY. And then TLT broke below the bear flag that day right there, which ended up being 5/31. SPY started breaking down and in the bear flag last week. And then look at the result. All the bonds look like crap. HYG setting new yearly lows. TLT is about to set a new yearly low. JNK set a new yearly low. So keep an eye on the bonds. 10-year yield. This has also been very, very important. I've been talking about the 10-year yield for months now. And yeah, 3.357. It's not showing any signs of slowing down. Next price target right here and then all the way up here. As a result, bonds are going to get hammered. When yields go up, bonds go down. Bonds go up, yields go down. So it's gonna be a weird market. Anyways, so we went through the weekly watch list. We looked at Apple. We looked at AMD. We looked at Amazon. We looked at Baba Coin, CRWD. That number's at 11. Cool. Not interested in CRWD. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 180 people in here and only 97 likes. If you guys do want the watch list, you need to run it up to 150 likes. But to be honest with you guys, I don't see anything that's bullish. Nothing is bullish for me. Dang, even Facebook. Did Facebook double bottom? Yep. Like, I think today we might have a nice little short covering, because if you were short over the weekend and you don't cover your position today, you're, in my opinion, dumb. But the overall market sentiment, if we get a pullback, I am happily going to go short. We already looked at Microsoft. MU broke that really strong support level at 65. That thing's dead. We looked at Nvidia. PayPal is going to follow SQ. We looked at QQQ, Roku. $75.12. I'd be interested to see what happens there. Not even the commodities. I mean, if anything, I'd be interested in soybeans. That's the only thing I'd be interested in. Roku's 70. Like, even oil. I think oil is going to have a pullback. We don't need SPX. SQ, Target. Somebody asked about Tesla. I think Tesla's dead in the water too. Where are we opening at? 667. So we right there. Not a fan of Tesla. So what I like today: QQQ, SPY, Apple, CRM, Microsoft, Nvidia, SQ, and Meta. We can look at the memes, GME. Not interested. AMC. Not interested. Yeah, to be honest, the only thing I'd be interested in is soybeans. SOYB. We'll see though. All right, let's narrow the list. QQQ. I think I'm gonna prioritize QQQ and SPY today. Look for the intraday setups. Yeah, not interested in Amazon. QQQ, SPY, those are going to be a staple. Just watch Uncle's levels. Ideally with Apple, I would like to see, it's at the yearly low. I mean, it could double bottom. 132.61. 133.8. Would be interested in some calls. So Apple, like CRM. $172 to 167. CRM, like, I'm gonna try to get that butterfly spread today. Microsoft. That stupid candle messed it up. Microsoft, question mark. Nvidia. Above 163 for calls, 165. Below 159.50 for puts. $163.52. Gap fill. All right, let's put in video on the list. I like the way this one's looking. So prioritize SPY and QQQ today. Nvidia looking for a break below 159.50 for puts. Price target equal 157.8. 155.67. $152.44. Calls above. What was the level? 163. Price target equal 163.52. 165.50. Implied volatility and the fact that VIX is going stupid. 168.69. There's Nvidia. Put that one on the list. Again, make sure you guys are clicking the like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 200 people in here and only 127 likes. So 127 people will be showing up at your front door if you do not click that like button. And real quick, in case you guys did not know, my new trading ebook, The New Age of Technical Analysis, is finally released. If you guys would like to pick yourself up a copy, that is the link right there. Worked on this book for a year, 482 pages roughly. And pretty much everything I know about trading, I discuss in that book right there. So if you guys would like to pick yourself up a copy, that is the link. Let's see. Yeah, bird's annoying. But we'll watch Nvidia. SQ. What's the early low? 65.1. Really with SQ, I'll be interested if it gets down here. Hey, let's go. I hope you like the book. Worked so hard on it. All right, so Meta, possible double bottom. $171.50. Of course, that monthly pivot's got to be right there. Oh, not that one. There we go. Not interested in GME. Let's see, if it were to break below the yearly low, got a lot of room we could drop. Alrighty. Meta. Possible double bottom at 169. Looking for calls above 171.50. Price targets equal 171.75. So that would literally be like a scalp, but then we could see 173.9, 175.5. Puts below 169. There's Meta. No, he did not. Haters be my motivators. I don't really have favorite stocks to trade. I look at the price action, take what I'm given. I can tell you some stocks that I hate. Boeing, Apple, those are my top two that I hate. Even though Apple might be on the watch list today, I freaking hate trading Apple. I think we might actually put it on the list today because it's sitting at that double bottom. Yeah, I think we might as well. I don't have a release date for the hardcover. I won't know for a while. Oh, and utilities. Screw utilities. Literally like 1 in 8 when it comes to swinging utilities. I don't know why. Every single time the price action looks fantastic on utilities. I just get screwed every time. It's like the utility market makers, they know when I'm hopping in and they just make that bad boy reverse. I don't get it. Has to be because utilities have a lot of government influence. Maybe I pissed somebody off in the government, I don't know. But yeah, them utility stocks, let me tell you, they do not like me. Apple also at a double bottom. Looking for this above 133.8 for calls. Price target equal 134.61. 135.98. $137. The one swing I had that was an actual winner was D, and that's when I was in Vegas. And then we just took a swing on D and got nailed. I don't get it. Anyways, I think that's the 3 things I'm gonna be watching today. So it's weird. It's gonna be a weird day. These aren't A+ setups. This is something like you got to be careful today. Dang, we entered USD JPY at the perfect time. I love it. Anyways, we got to be careful today. Nothing's clear right now. So we're gapping down negative 2.46% or negative 2.5%. Typically with the negative 2% rule, we tend to go the opposite way for at least in the morning. We do have a really high put to call ratio currently. It closed at like 1.16 or something like that, 1.17. That's high. But you got to remember, the last time something like that happened when we were closing at those kind of levels was during COVID. Where's COVID? Hold on. It's been so long since COVID happened. 2021. Here's COVID on the put to call ratio. So last time we were seeing ridiculous numbers like that was during COVID. And we haven't seen, like, a lot of these are misprints. That's a misprint. That's a misprint. That's a misprint. We had 2 days where we closed 1.11, 1.12, but you can see every time it started coming back down. We had a solid close above 1. So we got to be careful. That's all I'm saying. We got to be very, very careful. I've not seen the market internals look the way that they do since COVID. So bonds, yields, put to call, you got to watch these. And remember, we talked about the yen, or at least I talked about the yen. The yen is typically a safe haven, right? So if we're looking at COVID on the yen, they rotated their money because it's a safe haven. Look at the yen now. They're just selling this thing off. They don't even care about it. Just getting destroyed. So that's not good. Because typically bonds like to be a safe haven. The yen likes to be a safe haven. Bonds and the yen are both being sold off big time. So we gotta be careful. I don't have a clear direction on the market. I'm just gonna take what it gives me day by day, and hopefully we can nail some trades. I'm gonna look at some penny stocks with Dumpster as you guys were saying in the chat, RBDX or Redbox, whatever it is, RDBX. I'm gonna keep an eye on it. We'll see. Let's see, what's he watching today? He's watching 1050 for a bounce. So I'll look at some of the pennies today, see what Dumpster's liking. But did we hit the goal? I think we did. Then I'm just waiting for Savage's levels. So again, real quick before I drop the watch list, if you guys would like, make sure to purchase my new trading ebook, The New Age of Technical Analysis. 482 pages, 483 pages, one of the two. I guarantee you, if you read this book, you are going to learn something new. I talk about everything I know about in my strategy, day trading, swing trading. I start very, very basic with, you know, the Greeks, options trading. Then we get into support and resistance, trend lines, Fibonacci, person's pivots, combining everything together, so on and so forth. So yeah, if you guys would like to cop yourself a copy, make sure to do that. There's a reason why it's 5 stars, 23 ratings, 5 out of 5. But here is the watch list for the day. And again, I'm going to be looking for intraday setups as well. Prioritize SPY and QQQ. Here's the book link one more time. NVIDIA, Meta, and Apple. Boom. That's what I'm going to be watching today. Be careful. Let's make some money. If you guys are not in the Discord, make sure to join that as well. If you're not in the Discord, hold on. Let me drop the link real quick. There we go. If you guys are not in the Discord, I can make a Playboy magazine, of course. As long as you guys want to buy it, I will gladly hop in the Playboy magazine. Or the Playgirl magazine, whatever it is. Jesus, the Bored Apes are now 85,000 from 500,000. Sheesh. We shall see though. It's gonna be a weird day, but as always, trade safe, trade smart. Quick disclaimer, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. My past performance does not dictate future performance. So as always, make sure to use your own proper risk management, do your own due diligence, because options trading is very, very risky where you can lose more than your initial investment. I'm not responsible for any lost funds, but if you guys do make money off the watch list, feel free to take a screenshot and send it to me on Instagram. Other than that, join the Discord, cop the ebook, and I will talk to everybody tomorrow, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Peace.